Were you into building with Legos as a kid? Or maybe drawing sketches and designs in your notebook? If you like seeing designs come to life, you should consider a career in manufacturing and construction. Now, while you do have to go to school to learn these trades, it doesn't take as long as you think. You can start working in manufacturing or construction after just 2 years or less at Anoka Technical College. Maybe you want to be an engineer, but you also like working with your hands. Manufacturing is the perfect program for you. You can learn the basic hands-on skills, like working with machines or welding, and you can also learn the technical side, like drafting designs. Manufacturing jobs are in high demand and they pay well. Plus, you can start with a 1-semester certificate, go to work, and then come back to learn new skills that help you climb higher in the industry. There are tons of career possibilities within our construction programs. For the hands-on builder, you can jump into a career path to become an electrician. For the business-minded, you can learn to manage the administrative details of construction. And for the tech whiz designer, you can learn how to put your design skills to practice in practical construction settings. These are high-demand programs that lead to high-demand jobs. Whether you're looking to jump right into the workforce or dive deeper into your education, Anoka Tech has a path for you to develop the skills you need for a career in manufacturing and construction.